Today I'm going to present you some of the most awesome pattern ideas from the Midjourney gallery, and this way I'm going to show you some of the best pattern ideas with prompts. But first we're going to check out how to create a pattern in Midjourney. All you need to do is type in /imagine, and for example you type in red and white roses, space, align line, and you type in tile. And this is what it's going to create. There's also a website called panter.vis. I don't know how it's pronounced, but all you need to do is just drag and drop the image from Midjourney in here, and it's going to show up in pattern. You also can scale it up and scale it down. If you want to know how to create patterns in Photoshop with these, you can click the link in the upper right corner to check that tutorial also. Alright, let's check out the first one. And these are basically product photography style patterns, really popular, for example, on unsplash.com, where you can see some products arranged in a pattern style. Flower illustrations are always a big one. Here the prompt is white Hawaiian flowers, vector illustration, large white background, or white Hawaiian flower vector. Does the same exact thing. And then the doodle flowers are also really popular, especially on creativemarket.com. These illustrations are very simplified, but they are super effective at the same time. These usually come with their own theme. For example, this is autumn, and then look at this: vibrant design, burst, cartoon, character, objects, lines, expressions, shapes, excitement. These patterns are really awesome for kids, can be printed on wrapping papers for presents. Doodle cute monster background, and I pushed the style all the way to 1000 versus this version where the style is only on 250. Basically it's on style medium, and you're gonna get way different results. And then I found this really interesting abstract illustrations. It uses the red, yellow, blue color combo, and it's implementing the eyes and the mouth in order to create an abstract shape. Also, you can go really creative with textures. This one is like super realistic already. Look at this. And you can recreate it in Photoshop and use it on different projects. And then we have the Art Nouveau flower, Alphonse Mucha. So this is the Art Nouveau style, which usually has strong stroke lines all over the illustration. For example, you can see here, each element has a stroke around, and it looks amazing. And last but least, we got the Baroque seamless pattern. I think this is the most beautiful floral decorative pattern that you can see. It's super rich in details, in shading and colors, and it's just 100% seamless. And mainly this is what I have for today, guys. Thanks for watching.